Hey YouTube, welcome back. All right, so this is a short video, but I do have a couple other videos clipped into it. And this video is about it's okay. You got to put yourself in uncomfortable situations and put yourself in some scenarios where you're under pressure so you can see how well you perform. So you'll see these videos. I'm pretty much like kind of Call of Dutying, battlefronting my way through a paintball or a airsoft field or environment, and I'm either clearing room, or I'm taking six, or I'm leading a charge, or whatever it is, sniping, pinning, whatever it is. But just these videos, I just want to show you that, like, I don't really do this kind of stuff often, and I don't really like play a lot of shooters. I don't even play shooters at all. I play sports games, right? So embrace things that are a little bit out of your character and who you are, right? Normally, in film, I usually just play like a thug who pulls out a handgun, and then it's like either disarmed, or I'm punched in the face, or beat up, or thrown away real quick, right? Just a quick gag, right? But, these days I've been cast as like merc, cop, military, whatever it is, right? So I've been practicing this to embrace that role and just become a better human being in character if I ever have to end up developing to a more serious tone for these films, right? So yeah, put yourself in these situations, find activities you want to do, find activities that could help you out, and just like really embrace that and know that that's part of the game, and that's part of the struggle we got to go through. And if you play a game like this, you're gonna get picked, you're gonna get clinged, you're gonna get dinged. I got shot in the finger and it's like all tenderized, but that's okay. But I wasn't great. I got 5 kills and I died 4 times in like 8 games. So, I mean, in 10 games. So the other games I just kind of survived, right? But the last game I just survived, right? So by sniping, and just I felt like I was like camping out too much, so I wanted to get more involved. So yeah, check out these videos. It was my friend Ben's birthday. He's a junior stunt coordinator in the union. Congratulations to him. He's like my best friend for like over 10 years now. So yeah, that's just something I wanted to mention is with me and him, our relationship, every time I train with him, he's always pushing me to be a better athlete and a better stunt performer and just a better film creator, a better designer, a better action personnel, right? So in your life, surround yourself with those people that give you that extra boost. I don't have a lot of people, like I said. I have only one or two few people, but I do the best I could to try keep pressing and trying to show that I'm improving and evolving and consistent and trying to help and give back to community. And that's really what it is, and just struggling through this life, man. Like, even though I do have all these titles, Andrew, the stuntman, the actor, the performer, the athlete, the coach, this and that, I have to wear all these different hats because all these jobs that I have aren't a 40-hour job, right? So I have to kind of juggle out these little bits of jobs, and whatever. Each week is volatile. Like, I don't know how many hours I'm working the next week. And if I'm working 40 hours in film the next week, amazing. But that means I have to now reschedule everything around it, right? So you have to be able, which is point number 2, you have to be able to like reorganize and reschedule, and you have to plan ahead, right? So two things. First, take that risk, go out, put yourself in uncomfortable situations. And the second, plan ahead, okay? And always make sure that you at least try to make a little bit tiny of an effort. If you can, put it in your calendar, put it in your schedule. Try to plan ahead things that will benefit you as a person and as a character, right? We don't want you like going back, right? If you go back, it's not really going to help anybody or anything else. So just keep pressing forward and know that you got this, okay? So it's another beautiful day. Check out these videos. I know you're going to love it. I'm not going to make too long of a video this time. Another point for like after like putting yourself in pressure and then like pressing through that, it's just the whole concept of how a diamond's created, right? Diamonds are created under pressure, right? I know they have newer diamonds that are created in other ways, but original diamonds are created under pressure, right? So and the things that are more valuable than diamonds, like gems and pearls and rubies, it's the same thing. They're all created under an immense amount of pressure, and their value doesn't come out until they're polished and clean. We all know this. So just put yourself under those uncomfortable situations, know how to handle them. And then when you're ever put in those situations, if you let it be in front of a camera or in life, whatever the situation is, whether you're doing relationship building or whatever type of journey or path you decide to take, that's really what we're going for. We're going for developing and growing. Okay, so those are just two of the main points I wanted to talk about today. Thank you so much. I love you so much. I love each and every one of you. If you can, tell me in the comments about some challenges that you'd like to take, that you'd like to do, that you'd like to make a little bit more consistent, or do something in your life that pushes you to another level. Okay, and I'd love to respond back, and I'll let you know about everything. I know this was a more edited video in the beginning, but or in the end, wherever I decide to put it, but I love you very much. Stay tuned, and maybe I'll put it at the end, actually. Okay, so check it out, enjoy, and have a wonderful day. Be good, be blessed, and thank you for just being a part of this wonderful journey. Remember, it's the diary of a starving artist. This is the documentaries and journals of every single thing that we do in order to improve ourselves better for our performers. And it's not just that I'm a gun fanatic. John Wick, Keanu Reeves, he had to go to these facilities to become John Wick and become a better person, right? Become a better performer. Same thing when he did The Matrix. So it's not that I'm some crazy gun nut, but I do have my license. I am trained. I am certified. And I just need to start flexing all my certifications this year. And that's what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to start documenting it and owing it to myself and to the people around me, because the accountability of that is important. Those people are relying on me to create things and build incredible small projects or big projects, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to bring the best out in 2025. We're going to make another video later, and I love you so much. Be good, be safe, like, subscribe, take care, and start that YouTube channel. I mean, come on, look how easy it is. Take care. Oh shit, they're that way. I'm right here, in the pocket. Oh, you guys are clearing corners. Copy. Towards... Clear that side. Nicole's leading the charge, so get your 6 on door opening. Right side, left side. Oh shit, we're getting rinsed. Clear out, clear out. I'm gonna clear out this side, I'm gonna go on 6. Oh, but he's down. Oh, you saw?
Right in that corner right here.
Check that corner, I'll see the side for you. We just roll together? I think we should sync up on him or what? Or should we advance? Do your thing, bro. Go back. Let's fall back there. Copy, I got your 6. I see it. Good work. Oh, there it is. Yeah. I see him. Oh, he's out. He's out. I thought it was somebody. It's a chair.
Came over?
Yep.
Cool.
Right behind you. Sit.
Oh, cool. We're not this far.
I saw you
We
creep up,
gotta
bro.
push down. Oh, right. Right here, indeed.
Oh shit. Nice.
Firefight.
Sweet. Alright, I'm gonna advance. But I'm gonna go back to the sniping spot that I had. Oh shit, there's somebody directly behind us. You get that door, I get this. Oh shit. Holy fuck, that guy's got a light? I gotta go back to what I trust. Woo!
Armband, you're sorting here.
Oh yeah. How do I put it?
Hanging out with the birthday crew. And we're all about to get assassinated.
We are going down that way, I guess.
Definitely assassinated. Assassinated.